BizShort, in seconds, say what matters. The Indian rupee advanced against the US dollar, trading at around 87 rupees and 78 paise per dollar, marking a notable strengthening from Friday's close of 87.975 rupees. The improvement is attributed largely to intervention by state-run banks likely acting on behalf of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, which earlier in the week conducted pre-market dollar sales to stem the rupee's slide past the pivotal 88 rupee level. Traders noted that these interventions flushed out speculative dollar long positions, reducing pressure on the currency. Foreign equity inflows also contributed positively, with over $1 billion entering Indian markets in the preceding week, bolstering sentiment. While the rupee's rally reflects improved confidence, analysts caution that strong corporate demand for dollars driven by import and hedging requirements continues to cap further upside. The broader macro environment remains complex. The US-India trade tensions, especially the possibility of tariffs linked to India's continued Russian oil purchases, still loom large. Indeed, comments by former US President Donald Trump this weekend warning India of massive tariffs if it did not halt Russian oil imports had scant impact on the rupee, suggesting markets have largely priced in such risks. Still, the RBI's assertive posture signals a shift from passive defense to active currency management, an acknowledgement that India must now counter external pressures more proactively. Should global risk-off sentiment intensify or export flows weaken further, the rupee may face renewed headwinds. For now, the easing of speculative pressure and inflows have given India breathing space. Market participants will watch for any follow-through from the RBI and external flows to determine whether this momentum is sustainable or only a temporary reprieve. Source: Reuters. Think Business, Think BizShort. Tap to subscribe.